Tired of complex automation setups? Let's unlock a simpler way deploying N8n on Netlify. First, you'll need an N8n project. Navigate to your project's directory, your terminal, then initialize a new Git repository if you haven't already with Git in it. Next, create a gitignore file and add no_modules to prevent unnecessary files from being uploaded. This keeps your repository clean and deployment faster. Now, head over to Netlify and create a new account or login. Once logged in, click on the Add New Site button, then select Deploy with Git. Choose your Git provider, where your N8n project is hosted: GitHub, GitLab, or Bitbucket. Authorize Netlify to access your repositories. Select the specific repository containing your N8n project. Netlify will then automatically detect your project's settings, review and configure your deployment settings, specify your build command, and publish directory. If needed for most N8n projects, the defaults work perfectly. Click the Deploy Site button and watch Netlify work its magic. It will build and deploy your N8n instance automatically. Once the deployment is complete, Netlify will provide you with a unique URL where your N8n instance is live and ready to automate. Start building your amazing workflows.